Hello everybody, in this episode I will show you how to remove holograms from your paint. First, I will show you a few tricks and tips that you will have to follow in order to complete this job and in order to make it properly. To do this, you need a compound. I'm using this polishing compound. It's made from braid, as you can see, and it's anti-hologram and micro scratch remover, so it's very good to remove holograms. After that, you need a few pads, and the softer the pad is, the great the results will be. I'm using onto my machine this one. This is a black one, as you can see, but it's very soft. And this is what you have to use also. Maybe yours is not this color. You have to use a soft one, as you can see. This is the softest that I have. And I also have here a lot of pads. The green one is very hard, is not so soft, as you can see, but the red one, it's very soft. This is also good to remove holograms. Maybe yours is not the same colors, but you have to follow and you have to find the soft one. Okay, first, maybe your car is not contaminated, but mine was contaminated and I decontaminated before. I'm using a clay bar like this from Maguire. It's a very good clay bar. I already decontaminated my paint, and after that all you have to do is to find a very good microfiber towel like this. I bought this from Amazon, I think. It's a very good one and a very soft one. And you can also use some gloves. I'm using this one to protect my hands from the product. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, here are a lot of holograms onto the entire panel. All these little shades are holograms. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, I'm using this much product because the pad it's not used, so I will have to put a little more in order to make it stick to the pad, and this one I think it will cover the entire panel. I'm using speed number 2, as you can see, and one more tip, you don't need to push onto the machine very hard. You just have to let the machine doing its job, and you just have to slide it over the panel. Okay, let's start. And also, you don't have to turn the machine like this. You just have to keep it straight onto the paint and slide it over. Don't push hard like this. Don't push. Just let it like this fall onto the panel and slide it over. Okay, let's just clean the panel. After you clean the panel, you just have to check if the holograms disappeared or not. And as you can see, on this panel, the holograms disappeared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.